Hi, if you experience anxiety, procrastination, self-sabotage, if feelings of stress are holding you back in your life, stopping you from experiencing some freedom or happiness or feeling calm or simply being able to achieve the things you want in your life within your relationships or within your work or business, there is a solution for you. Hi, my name's Ian Newton. I've been working with clients for nearly 30 years now, and I help people move from that stuck space they're in and free them up to experience the things they want to do in their lives. I use a process that I've developed called Nervous System Renovation Project. It's a big long name, and if you leave your details in the box to the side there, you can get a free 20-minute webinar that explains all this. I can't do it in a short time here. But basically, it's about getting you going again. It's about building you up, as the name renovation implies. And it's all done one-to-one. I don't do groups. I work with individuals because you are you. You have unique issues to deal with. Your anxiety is different than my anxiety or someone else's. Your idea of freedom is different than someone else's, so it has to be one-to-one. And it's all done online, so it's convenient, and it doesn't matter where in the world we are. We can sort out a time zone. So thank you, and of course when you hear the webinar, there'll be 2 free actions that you can take that I guide you through that can help you feel a little less anxious at the moment and start to move you towards that journey to freedom. And I wish you the best in creating the life that you want. Thank you.